Hi, I'm Jeff Weekley. Welcome to another episode of Why Pay More, the show that helps you find ways to save money and make money. And I'm saving money today with my best friend Tom Buckner, who's on the other side of the lens. And today we're saluting our friends in the great state of Hawaii. And I'd like to say aloha to my Uncle Mark and Aunt Moon over in Oahu. And I hope to see you soon. At any rate, today, just like the last episode where we showed you how to save gas money with the Gas Buddy app, we're going to talk about how to price other items as well. And we use apps for that as well. You may have seen us in shows in the past talking about scanning things. And one of the apps we're going to talk about today, and we're not being paid to do this, this is just one of the apps that we use. There's multiple apps, but one of the ones we're going to talk about today is called Shop Savvy. And you can use it to not only compare items, in a store that you might be in, you can also look for the best online prices. And the way this works, if I can just pick something over here, almost everything that you buy is going to have a UPC code or a QR code. And so what we do with this app, and we'll show you this as we go along today, is we can actually scan the UPC and QR codes, and it will pull up the item and it will comparison shop for us, so we don't have to go to 5 or 10 or 20 stores to find out what might be the best, best price for something. Let's go see how much trouble we can cause with this app today. So what happens is your phone basically becomes a scanner, and you make sure and get the barcode in between that area. As you can see, Walmart's $174, but there's something here from eBay for $119. Let's see what the story is on that. And it's a new product too. So you can actually go into that listing and see. Plus it also shows pricing trends on items in here for you. But when you're looking at this listing, you might want to go find out about this eBay seller, because if he's offering it for the same price with free shipping, that's a way to save 60 bucks. So we thought we'd pick a couple of items to look at, and one thing that people shop for is televisions. Let's be realistic, So we picked one kind of on the lower to medium end, but we picked a larger TV. We went with the TCL. And what's neat about these TVs is they have built-in Roku with them. And I went ahead and scanned the barcode on my Shop Savvy, and as you see, this was $498. They marked it down to $448. But guess what Shop Savvy came up with? It's now on special for $398. And as you can see, the next cheapest price is Best Buy, and they're only about $100 more. So we're not talking about saving a nickel or dime or even a quarter on a gallon of gas. We're talking about saving hundreds of dollars on television sets, something that just about every household has, and probably getting more of them. Why pay more? And no offense to Vanna White, because I don't have the class nor the panache that she does, but it's not like they have just one that 25 people have to fight over. As you can see, they have an assortment of them, so there's plenty to go around. As you can see, this tremendous GE refrigerator is the same price at Best Buy as it is at Home Depot. However, I've got an additional playing card I'm going to use today, because here you get an additional 20% off of the same price that you would pay over at Best Buy. So you're going to save 20%. And there you go. The best deal around. Why pay more? So as you can see, doesn't matter whether it's a loaf of bread, or an appliance. Virtually anything that's got, a UPC code or a QR code, you can scan on Shop Savvy. As you can see, it also compares prices. And one thing I like too is that on on that app is if you have something that comes in that's you know, that you scan saved maybe 6 months ago, like batteries, you know, or light bulbs, something you buy on a regular basis, it will let you know if the price drops. And I had this happen just a week ago and saved $3 on a package of Duracell batteries. So any savings you have is good, you know. So there you go. And we hope that you enjoyed today's show. And if you did, and if you have a heart, please take a second to like, share, and subscribe. We welcome all your comments. Also, like we said before, you know, we're not married to this app, and we're not being paid to, you know, talk about it. It just happens to be one that we use that saved us thousands of dollars over the years. If you have an app that you're partial to, please feel free to share it in the comments section, you know, in this episode. And speaking of episodes, we're going to go shop for some more deals that you'll probably see in an episode down the road. So on behalf of my dear friend Tom Buckner, this is Jeff Weekley. Why pay more?